Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to create your Outlook account for your personal or professional use. All you need is a device with an internet connection. That can be your mobile, tablet or computer. Anything works. So first, open your browser and navigate to the outlook.com. Once you land in this page, click on get a new email address. So it will ask to type your new email address. To create new one, type a email address that you want and click next. If the email address is available, then it will go to the next page. Here you need to provide a strong password with letters, numbers and special characters combination. Then click next. And provide your details like name and last name, then click next. Then it will ask for your date of birth. So provide your date of birth and click next. This is a validation. So just do some validation here to recognize that you are a human, that you are not a robot. Once you've done the validation, it will give you some prompt. Click OK here. That's it. Your Outlook account is created. To go to your inbox, just click the menu button in the top left corner and click on Outlook. So you are in your mailbox. And that's it. You successfully created your Outlook account. Now you can start using it for emails, calendar and much more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video.